I'm Fred Lindauer from Robert Juliat.
Fred, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We want to hear about your LED unit.
You're going to hear about it.
Terrific.
This is our profile, and we introduced it actually last year at LDI. It's in the body of our 600 series product, which is normally an incandescent 1000 watt or a 575 MSD lamp. We've replaced the lamp assembly with an LED module. The LED module is an 85 watt chip with power supply and dimmer embedded in it. It has a full menu of capabilities. Comes in two color temperatures, both white, but one is a warm white at 3500 Kelvin and the other a cool white at 5800 Kelvin. It has all the qualities of conventional framing spotlights in that you can frame, but we also have a facility to lock the frames in place so that once they're in place you can't move them out, you can't dislodge them.
Okay.
You can also put two frames in each slot, so a total of 8. And since there is no heat being generated by the LED, we can make gobos out of plastic. This was printed on a conventional home inkjet printer. You can take images from files or photographs, JPEG files, and make your own gobos instantaneously.
So that is that's just the clear plastic. You can get it in an office store.
Transparency from Staples.
Wow, that's great.
Absolutely.
Okay.
We also have one in colors, just to show you how it can be done. So the cost and time expense of bringing in custom gobos can be eliminated or reduced markedly. Once again, we start with the Robert Juliat famous flat field of light. These units come in 3 different zoom ranges. All of our products are zooms. This one is 11 to 26 degrees, which starts at the narrowest and goes up to 54 degrees in 3 different barrel sizes. The menu allows you to set the personality as a tungsten personality so that it simulates the tungsten lamp of startup and shutdown, or it can be set for an LED which flashes on immediately. It also can be set for square law curve or linear curve, and has many other features set in the menu at the operator's desire. But the real thing about it is that it's such a long life lamp, 50,000 hour rated, and requires no maintenance that you can hang it, focus it, forget about it.
Okay. Now these units, because it's LED, it has its power supply built in.
Power supply is built in, dimmer is built in, so all you have to feed it with is anywhere from 90 to 265 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Throw a DMX line into it and you're good to go.
That's wonderful.
So this year, we're taking that same LED engine and we've built it into a Fresnel fixture, a wash fixture. So everything that I've mentioned about the profile would apply to the Fresnel.
Okay.
The Fresnel range of spot is from 8 degrees narrow to 100, or let's say 98 degrees, almost 100 degrees wide. It has the same flat field capability, a true Fresnel lens, and because it's really a Fresnel, it can use standard Fresnel framing devices to control the pattern of the lamp, of the beam.
Okay.
Both of these units exhibit the same kind of single shadow that you'd expect to see from a theatrical fixture, instead of the multiple shadows that you sometimes get from multi-LED fixtures.
Okay.
They're single colors, white. If I didn't mention it, I'll say it again. 3500 for warm white and 5800 for cool white.
Okay. And that's adjustable. You can choose it.
No, you choose it in your ordering process.
Got it.
They're not changeable in the field.
Okay. So you can fit it into your existing rig. If you have more moving lights with a higher color temperature, you want that one.
Exactly. Or you can do a mixture to try and blend it out and balance them as you need.
Okay. Now, what happens when you use gels?
Gels are handled very well, but they're going to be a different palette than you'd normally see.
Okay.
So I'll put a pattern or a selection of gels in front. Some of them I know the numbers of and some of them I don't. This is a GAM 250. Hard to see.
Of course.
Light blue. And an amber.
So basically, if somebody's going to get a unit, they should experiment a little bit to develop their palate.
Yeah, the palate is the word that I would emphasize. This is a Roscoe 80. Because it's not going to react exactly the way you would expect it in front of a tungsten or a discharge lamp. But it certainly does take color well. We've even tried it with color changers, scrollers, and flag types, and it really is quite effective. The profiles are shipping now. The Fresnel is a prototype, or pre-production should I say, and will be released for final rollout at ProLight in April in Germany, and will be in production in May.
Lovely. And what kind of cost is someone looking at retail estimate?
The retail of the profile is around $3,000, and the retail of the Fresnel is targeted at $2,500.
Lovely. Well, thank you so much for entertaining us here at your booth.
You're welcome.
And I appreciate it, and we'll see you next year at USITT and at Super Saturday. Have a great day.
Take care.